Accidents happen. We know. We may have sort of just had an accident in our office.
It wasn't my fault.
That's fine. Here at Floors Uncovered, we find solutions for even the toughest stains. Hey everyone, this is Vinny with Floors Uncovered, here today to talk about how to get wax out of carpet. For this project, you're going to need a few simple items that you should have right at home. A bag of ice, or something similar. An iron, a towel, carpet cleaner, a butter knife, a vacuum. Step 1. The first step is to cool the wax. Put down a plastic bag full of ice or an ice pack or something similar that's very cold. Even a bag of peas would work. And actually sit it on top of the wax stain in order to cool it off. Whatever you use, just make sure it is contained in a bag or some kind of container so that way it doesn't get the floor moist. The objective is to solidify the wax so that way it's easier to get off in the next couple of steps. Step 2. Once the wax has solidified, it's time to take the butter knife and slowly, gently start to cut into it on the surface of the carpet. Again, you want to be careful because you don't actually want to cut the carpet, you just want to cut the wax out of the carpet, which should be at this point solid on the surface. In some cases, this will be all you need to do, especially if you catch this early enough. We were so lucky, so there's 2 more steps for those of you who this doesn't just work. Prepare your iron. We're actually going to use a steam iron for this because again, we're not trying to burn the carpet. We're just trying to take the wax and get it off of the carpet. Set the temperature low to make sure you are accomplishing this. Again, trying not to leave any burn marks on the carpet fiber. It's also particularly helpful if you know what carpet fiber you have, whether it's polyester or nylon, because there are often irons with different settings, so adjusting it to the correct fiber type, just as you would clothing, will help with this. Take a towel or a rag you don't care about and lay it on top of the stain. You want to pick one you don't care about because you're probably going to have to throw it out after. We are just using a cheap dollar towel that we picked up at the dollar store, and something similar would work just fine. We would not recommend a paper product like a napkin or paper towel, as these have a tendency to tear and rip during the process. You want something a little bit more substantial than that. Now run the iron over the towel or cloth. You can pause occasionally, but try not to leave the iron in any one spot for too long, again to avoid burning or singeing any of the carpet fiber. As you do this, you should see the wax releasing from the carpet fibers due to the heat interacting with the cold of the originally cooled. As you do this, you should see the wax releasing from the carpet as the steam interacts with the ice, actually breaking down the bond of the wax in the carpet. You will likely have to repeat this step a few times, moving the towel through different spots and adjusting to parts of the towel that don't have now wax clumped into them. Step number 4, almost clean. The last step to this is to simply take the cleaning product that you have, and we recommend Bona or Capture, and use that to treat and clean it just like you would any other stain. This is because sometimes the color can wear off a little to the surface of the carpet, and by using these cleaning solutions just like you would any other stain, you should be able to remove that from the surface. Just follow the directions on the specified product. Most use a pre-mist solution with a capture pail or just mist itself, depending on which product you're using and what's recommended for your particular product. And voila, it's good as new. Wax can be very tricky, but we have found that this works to get it removed. In fact, we tested it using our own facility. That's the story we're going with, right? We hope that this video helps you with your tough wax stains. In fact, we'd love to know what the hardest stain you've ever had to try to get out of your carpets. Comment below and let us know, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video for even more great content. We'll see you next time on Floors Uncovered.